అందరికీ శుభోదయం. ఇన్కమ్ ట్యాక్స్ DDO declaration by the DDO 2025. సో DDO ద్వారా అంటే DDO ఏ విధంగా డిక్లరేషన్ లెటర్ ఇవ్వాలనేటువంటిది మోడల్ది ఇక్కడ మనం చూపించడం జరుగుతుంది. సో దీని ప్రకారంగా వాళ్ళు తయారు చేసుకోవచ్చు. టు ది సబ్ ట్రెజరీ ఆఫీస్ సో ఆ ప్లేస్ రాసుకోవాలి. సబ్జెక్ట్ submission of income tax details and proof of savings for the financial year 2024 to 25 of the employees for whose salary is drawn in the month of February 2025. I do hereby submitting the income tax details and proofs of savings for the financial year 2024-25 of the employees for whom salary is drawn in the month of February 2025 bill duly signed with the following certification. Number 1. I satisfied about the actual deposits, subscriptions, payments, deductions made by the employees who are under control me by calling for such particulars information as deemed necessary before allowing the aforesaid deductions. Number 2. Certified that the income tax of the employees for whom salary is drawn in this bill, that means February 2025, has been recovered who comes under income tax for you. Next one, certified that the income tax particulars of all employees furnished are verified and correct to the best of my knowledge and belief. Fourth one, certified that if any deviation in the income or due to erroneous income tax assessments is noticed at a later date, such employees is or are the responsible to Income Tax Department, Government of India for the information pertaining to their income tax assessment. ఫైనల్గా సిగ్నేచర్ అది DDO, ఇక్కడ DDOగా సిగ్నేచర్ చేయాలి. ఈ విధంగా మనకి ఈ ఫామ్ అనేటువంటిది ఉంటుంది. ఈ విధంగా వాళ్ళు తయారు చేసుకుని సబ్మిట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. Please subscribe for the tech channel, like it and share it. Thank you.